NaturTrend is the ultimate natural look under all conditions with no compromise on performance. Hi, my name's Jerome. I'm responsible for marketing at CFL. We wanted to walk you through our new NaturTrend finish because it really is something quite special. There are really two main points that stand out. First is the look. In general, vinyl finishes tend to look like, well, vinyl. The surface can appear shiny at certain angles, even those marketed as matte. NaturTrend gets rid of that vinyl shine and allows for realism that's really unmatched in this category, no matter the angle or lighting. The second is how that look holds up to major wear and tear. Often we see finishes becoming slightly shinier after several years of use, sometimes ending up with shiny patches in areas with more intense traffic, even within the same room, but not NaturTrend. Instead of the uneven, granular type surface standard finishes have, which get flattened after intense wear, NaturTrend has a wave structure, deflecting light consistently and allowing for a result undistinguishable from real hardwood floors. This makes NaturTrend ideal for intense environments and large installations. Of course, without compromising on scratches, stain, or traffic resistance. In fact, it outperforms. The industry today doesn't have a standard to test what we call gloss endurance over time. We want to make sure we understand not just how the finish performs today, but also how it'll perform after 2, 5, and more years. Since there are no standards, we developed our own. The standard simulates intense wear after 24 hours and measures the evolution of gloss changes throughout the duration of the test. Numbers aside, after running the test to the end, the result speaks for itself.